Yep, that's me. One among 40 BTech students fluent in 4 languages and shaped by adaptability. But I'm not here to blend in. Stay with me for the next 120 seconds, and if you are a recruiter, I'll convince you why I am the standout.
Greetings of the day. I am Sanghamitra, a BTech food technology student passionate about healthier and affordable food systems. I am pursuing my degree at Lovely Professional University where I have built hands-on experience in food engineering and data-driven product development while also exploring how AI and machine learning are shaping the future of the food industry. Talking about some of my projects. One of them was a website focused on recalls in the bakery and confectionery industries, which I designed using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I also developed functional beetroot chips for diabetic consumers, handling everything from formulation to consumer testing. Furthermore, I built 2 websites using Python, one for research scholars to determine shelf life instantly, and another based on ordering food while considering food allergies. Lastly, my ongoing projects involve a review paper and food product development. My internships involve an extensive work in quality control department of a cereal based company ensuring compliance with HACCP, GMP and ISO standards while improving documentation and testing processes and learning how supply chain works in the food industry. Alongside my technical skills in product development and statistical analysis using tools like SPSS, I have actively explored how AI is shaping the food industry. As part of that interest, I completed certifications in generative AI, AI driven digital marketing, and attended a seminar on the evolution of AI and ML in the food sector. I am also Lean Six Sigma White Belt certified, which helps me approach problems with a process improvement mindset. Additionally, I have been an active participant in Nestle's online youth entrepreneurship program for over a year, gaining business insights on product development. I'm particularly interested in roles that combine product innovation with quality assurance, where sustainability and scale go hand in hand. If you are looking for someone who can bridge food science, data, and real world execution, I'd love to contribute and grow with your team. Let's connect and thank you.